Hi, I'm Mike, and this is my wife, Lisa. We live in Belmont, and we just finished a major remodel with Done Right Home Remodeling, and Alon was our project manager. I have friends who had work done, and Alon was the project manager, and they gave very good recommendations. We believed that Done Right and Alon would give us good value for our money and would be honest with us.
We also chose Alon because he was very empathic and understanding of how scared I was. And he was just really incredibly supportive and didn't pressure us. He was incredibly responsive. And he always was right on top of communicating to make sure we were all on the same page. He was able to deliver. The crew was here every day. They worked hard, they were nice, they were considerate, and I was impressed.
They always seem to be making progress and check in with us in terms of any decisions. They used a WhatsApp group in order to communicate with us. We'd be getting pictures every day of the work that was done. Working with Alon and the construction foreman, Luis, was straightforward. I was very impressed with Luis's knowledge of construction and the code.
We are thrilled with the results. We definitely got our money's worth. The quality of the workmanship was excellent. It's like a whole new house.
We would certainly recommend Alon and Done Right to our friends. They did a great job. They seemed very capable of tackling large jobs and small.